What if I told you there is a fighter jet so advanced that enemy radars can barely detect it? Meet the world's most powerful fighter jet. The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is considered by many experts to be the most powerful air superiority fighter ever built. It entered service in 2005 and changed aerial warfare forever. The F-22 can fly at over Mach 2, which is more than 2,400 kilometers per hour. It can also cruise at supersonic speeds without using afterburners, a feature called supercruise. Its stealth technology makes it incredibly difficult to detect. Combined with advanced sensors and radar, the F-22 can see enemy aircraft long before they know it is there. The aircraft carries deadly AIM-120 AMRAAM and AIM-9 Sidewinder missiles and features thrust vectoring engines, allowing incredible maneuvers in dogfights.